Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add someone on WhatsApp. So in order to add someone on WhatsApp, open WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're on the app, in the bottom right corner, you can see the message icon. Click on it and click on add new contacts. So add the phone number and add the first and last name you want and save it. Once your contact list is updated, you can see the number you have saved is successfully added on WhatsApp. So this is how easily you can add someone on WhatsApp. If you found the video to be helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.